The neckline, sleeves, and back sash of this circa 1912 Lucile gown were bound along their edges with a mauve silk satin. Unfortunately, the silk had shattered over time, leading to significant material loss along the neckline. The silk needed to be secured before the gown could be safely dressed for the exhibition. Additionally, because the appearance of the neckline was significantly changed due to the material loss, fills of replacement fabric were made to return the gown to its original appearance. The unique luster, color, and weight of the original silk proved challenging to recreate. Testing different materials in the lab identified that painted silk habiti, using conservation-tested jacquard textile paints, produced the closest match. A custom combination of purple, white, brown, and gold paints were mixed, diluted with water, brushed onto the silk, and heat set after drying. The custom painted silk was then cut and attached to the neckline as the original had been, and it was encased underneath the nylon net that secured what remained of the original shattering silk. This treatment was very successful visually, and it allowed the gown to be dressed safely.